Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing unboxing, and in the last few weeks I've gotten a lot of boxes. Some of them I ordered myself, some of them were sent to me to review and see and test it out. So if you want to see what I've got, then keep on watching. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Let's learn, explore, and test out together in this journey that I got myself into. So without much rambling, let's get into it. So the first thing I got is from Sigma. I'm super excited because I got their latest launch. And by the way, if you are a Sigma member, you know every dollar that you spend, you gain points, pink perks. So I used my perks and got this babe. So I'm super excited to see what's inside and the quality. And they launched, I've been waiting for it for so long. They launched finally their red lipstick. Red liquid lipstick. Some of you know red is my jam. So I'm super excited to see and test and see and test. Okay, let's get into it. As I said, they launched their Sigma Viper eyeshadow palette. From what I know, I think this is limited edition. So this is how it looks. Oh, these colors. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. Oh boy, they feel so soft, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. I am excited, but as we all know, finger swatches do not really tell the quality of the palette. So I'm super excited to test it out and see how it performs so far. It's pigmented, it's colorful, the colors are jam, so watch out for new tutorials. The next is two lippies, and one is absolutely beautiful nude, and of course the red. I know I'm going to be all over this red, so I might consider ordering a bunch of them very soon, because I know I'm going to be running out of them pretty quickly. Ooh, look at that. Wow, this is a pretty red. Look at this. It's more on a strawberry side, but it's so pretty. Okay. All right, hold it together, Ina. We're not gonna wipe off what we have now, because we're gonna save it for later. But this is the gem. I love it. Their liquid lipsticks are well, I am not sure about all of them, but I know the new mod is definitely one of my top favorite nudes I ever used, as on myself, as on my clients. I like, whenever they're on sale, I got like 10 of them, and I have only one left. That tells you something. All right, so this one is a pretty bright light nude, which I love. I don't think I have anything similar to this. Oh man, this is pretty close to how new mod is. It's just more on a brownish side, brownish nude. Guys, I love it. I am so happy with my purchase. I can't wait to play with them in the next few days. So if you want to see how they perform and how they look on my eyes and on my lips, then make sure you subscribe. All right, so let's not get overly excited, because we still have a bunch of stuff to get through. Next is IPSY. Ooh, we're still rocking the reds. It's a leather red. I probably think it's a fake leather red feel to it, but it's so nice. For those of you who don't know what IPSY is a makeup subscription box that for $10 and free shipping, they are sending you 5 1 makeup bag and 5 deluxe sample products. Sometimes they're sending you full-size product, 1 to 2 full-size products too. And for the last year that I've been with them, they almost in every single bag, they send me at least 1 brush, which I am, as some of you know, I love me some brushes. It's never enough. And of course, I got a brush, and I think it's from Miss SL, Miss Glam. Yes, I love her. I love her brushes. And look at that. It's all sealed and nice. I believe I have exactly the same brush in pink, and I love it. I totally love it. So I'm really excited to receive this one. Oh, so the next thing is a MAC lip gloss. And this one is in the shade, wait, let me open it. This one is in the shade 828 Love Child. See how it looks. All right, do I have any? Ooh, that is a pretty color. Here is the color. It has a very tacky feel to it. It smells like vanilla. MAC's lipsticks were always a bomb, so I'm very happy with this one this month. Right, so the next thing is from IPSY by Petra, and I think it's a duo eyeshadow. And the plum, what are the colors? Plum lace, yeah, well, makes sense. So these are 2 colors. I hope you can see. I'll probably put it in a giveaway because I have a lot of colors similar to these, although I heard IPSY by Petra is a very, very nice brand. So this one definitely is going into my next giveaway. So keep an eye for that one. Then the next thing I got is INC Readable. You glow, girl. All right. And this is iridescence jelly. Well, I have never worked with jelly, so I'm super excited to see how this one performs. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, it's sealed, so most probably I will have to maybe make a video with it. I have never done a glossy eyeshadow makeup look. I think I might try and do some in the next few weeks, so keep an eye on that. So the next thing is the blackhead removal mask. Oh yeah, peel off mask. I love the blackhead removal mask. I hate the peel because that stuff, that hurts so much. It says it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. So I definitely gonna give it a try. So this concludes what I got in the month of October. So let's see what I got next. Next thing is, right, this one is from my boyfriend Yater. And he said there is a surprise in there. So let's see what he got. What he got me. And I got Crisp 3D whitening. I guess it's time for my teeth to get whitened since I've been really abusing the coffee lately. This is right on time, and I'm super excited to give it a try and see how it performs. Thank you, babe. And the next thing I got is, oh yeah. Remember guys when I said when on the last one I had a black one? Guess what? I got more colors. I really kind of like them. Oh, hold on. Let me put it this way. I kind of like them. What you guys think? Well, it definitely needs a little different hairstyle. So we're not gonna go too crazy right now, but check it out. So if you want to know where I got it from, I will leave a link down below. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't anything too expensive. So, but it looks really nice for a night out, for a dining out, and it's cute. I like it. Next thing is from the Amazon, and I don't remember what I got. I got a lot of stuff on Amazon, so I don't really remember. I don't know know if I am the only one crazy like that, but I break my phones pretty often. So for me to have screen protector is a must. So knock on the woods. This one I used, and I used it already for a month and a half, and it's not broke, not yet. But I always like to have a spare of the glass protector. So I've got the iPhone 7 Plus. So if you guys want to know which one I'm using, I will leave a link down below. And next, guys, I've got a I think last month, was it last month? No, while I was away, the Lip Monthly, it's a monthly subscription box that is dedicated to actually lip products. They reached out to me and say if I would love to be in their PR list, and of course I said yes. I mean, come on, show me a girl who has enough lipsticks. That ain't me. So I got super excited to check them out, and also they're pretty affordable. So let's see. So let me pull it out and tell you the whole deal about them. All full-size items. Lip Monthly's monthly bags are bigger and better than ever. Now you get a full-sized product in your makeup bag. Every month we'll send you a unique bag straight to your door and help you discover the best lip glosses, lipsticks, lip balms, lip stains, and much more. In addition, we're patterned with niche brands to big brands all around the world to deliver you 4 to 5 deluxe products every month. Their first monthly subscription month is 25% off, which is $971. Now, in retail value is anywhere between $40 and $80. Or you can select 3 months, which is $25.90. Get 3 bags for the price of 2, with retail value $120 plus. And there's another option with 6 months. It's $51. Get 6 bags for the price of 4. Retail value is $240 plus. And annual is $116.55. Get 12 bags for the price of 9. And the retail value of this is $480. Tell me that's not a good deal. That's an amazing deal. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave the link down below. But before we get into it, let me show you what I got in the month of September. So they come in a little envelope, and here is the month of September. They come in the makeup bag, and let's see what I got. So the first lip is from Appeal Cosmetics. It's a lipstick in the shade Baby My Doll. That sounds good. It's a pretty pink. Look at that. There you go, guys. That's a beautiful color. Now, it doesn't smell like anything, so there we go. So the next thing is a lip pencil from Starlux. I've never heard of them. So I'm very excited to open it. So a lot of you know that I don't use lip liners that often, but they're good to have in your collection. It's very, very soft, I'll say this. That's a very beautiful color. The next thing I got is Hickory Lip Crayon in the shade Macchiato. That's a pretty shade. Look at that, guys. This is a beautiful. I'm gonna try it. Wow, it's a very soft, guys. It's very, like, it feels like a balm. It's a very nice feel. It has a very nice feel to it. And since my lips were extremely dry lately, I am excited to get these ones. Plus, it's a very handy and a very pretty color. I would totally wear it like an everyday color. It's very pretty. Next thing is Portland Bee Balm. Ooh, this is interesting. That is something I would keep in my, definitely in my purse, because my lipstick, especially in the winter time, I don't know about you guys, but my lips are always getting dry, and it to the point where it hurts. Yeah, it smells like mint and honey. Let's see how it feels. I mean, it feels like a simple chapstick. Chapstick? Is that the word? It feels like a simple chapstick, so that's definitely something I would keep in my purse as urgency if my lip gets way too dry. So far, I got 4 products in the month of September. So Starluck Lip Pencil. The worth of it is $19. Hickory Crayon, the worth is $13. The balm is $2.99, which is super affordable. I love that, and it smells nice. And Peel Cosmetic luxurious lipstick is $29, which is pretty beautiful. All right, what do they say? This month we have curated a bag that will help you flawlessly transition into the fall season. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram. Oh, that's sweet. So it's called Flawless September. I'm a little late into the wagon, but with my house hunting and all of that, I got completely sidetracked. So I am happy to catch up on things. So hopefully you're gonna forgive me for that one. Thank you so much, Lip Monthly, for this bag. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the next one. So the next thing I got is 7-day pill organizer. I love being organized because that helps me, saves me time, reminds me of doing things I normally would forget. And normally I would forget taking my vitamins and stuff. So having something like this is always handy. So they come like this. It's the AM and PM, which is pretty cool. And you just press and they open. Press and they open. Isn't that cool, guys? Easy peasy. Now I have something to play with. All right, so yeah, if you want to know where I got it from, I will have the link in the description box so you can check them out too. But these are super cool, and they are plasticky, steady, and ooh. The next thing is the premium quality DERMAROLLER and 0.3 millimeters. I've seen on internet wonders of DERMAROLLERs and what they do, and especially the effects after use for a while. So I got myself one. As you can see, it comes all sterilized and very well packed. I already love that. I mean, this thing is extremely microscopically can be dangerous if you do not use proper hygiene with it. So keep in mind, if you want to try it, it has to be very sterile, and you have to sterilize it every time you use it. I've never tried it before, but I'm a germaphobe when it comes to that, so keep that in mind. And it comes in a box like this, which is sealed nicely. I love that. Hopefully I have to sterilize it before I use it. Like the needles, guys, the needles are so small, I can hardly see them. Look at that. I literally can hardly see them. So I don't know, but I definitely love the design. Look at that. It's pretty cool. All right, so if you want me to, do you want me guys to make maybe a video on how I use it? And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Consider subscribing for more videos like this and makeup tutorials. Of course, I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.